Hello, time travelers. Stewmac has a clone of the Analogman King of Tone, and I unboxed it, immediately realized I had to do a video for whoever is curious what comes in the set. It is a little expensive for a kit, but it's not like $6 grand like some people are charging for it used on Reverb. This is my look of disapproval. Why are they charging so much? Because Analogman only makes a few of them a year, and the waiting list goes back as far as 2017, according to some sources. I mean, just check out his weird, crazy-looking web page with the crazy, stupid 90s web-style purple background. I don't know what's going on here. Anyways, show you guys what's going on here and give you my opinions about what I saw in here when I opened it up. There's my redacted box, obviously. That came in and was redacted for some reason. Open that up. Now, first thing I see is excess packaging. Stewmac, you can save the consumer a couple bucks by getting rid of this sleeve. I don't need this sleeve. Toss. It's a box in a box. It's a box in a box. And look at this fancy booklet. I don't need this much fanciness. I probably don't even need this many pages. This is like my first DIY kit I made. It's a JHS old school fuzz that I added 3 knobs to because modifying is awesome. But it just came with like printed paper they stapled together. That's fine by me, you know? Look at this thing. It's color. Color costs money to print. Oh, it uses op amps. That's interesting. Anyways, it's got the resistor color code identification chart. Shows you how to identify capacitors and other components. Shows you where each one goes, blah, blah, blah. This is the interesting part about you guys maybe subscribing to see a few future videos. The diodes it uses are, namely the ones I'm focusing on, oops, sorry, RIP headphone users, is the 1N4001 and the 1N914. Why does that matter? Because those are modern, you know, cheaper to obtain ones. But Analogman uses one of these. MA856 is really easy to find. It sounds about the same as the ones he uses, which are those two. And he uses the 151588. Don't I have that already? Yeah, that came in the mail from the eBay already. I have some 151588. So get subscribed! I don't know why you're not subscribed or whatever's already. I mean, the like button and the subscribe button and the bell and hit notified and all that's all down there. You've been clicking the stuff this whole time. Anyways, toss. Stickers. Now that's nice. I could have used that when I built this pedal, so I didn't have to figure out how to find special, you know, like artistic paint markers. But artistic paint markers are actually pretty cool after all. Next. PCB looks pretty clean. It's nice. It's got stuff printed on it. You can see that, so you can make sure you put things in the right place. Cool. I opted for the white painted one. I might do something with the white color. I'm not sure, haven't decided. But, you know, I can always paint over it. There's a bag of some components. There's a bag of many bags of components. And it's good that it comes with the little slot things so that you can slot in the operational amplifiers without having to solder them directly into the motherboard I'm such a computer geek. PCB, fry them, you just slot them in. And another reason, what if you do some research and want to try different op amps? Just pop them out. And this bag of knobs and pots and dip switches. Yeah, because the Analogman uses dip switches to control how much gain you have and if it's distortion or if it's just a boost on the pedal. And here's that. Now this foam, I appreciate that, Stewmac, thank you. A little bit of foam. Maybe someday we'll have more environmentally friendly ways to make things not get damaged. But besides changing out the diodes with the ones that Analogman actually uses, what kind of videos would you guys like to see in the future? I plan on building it to spec according to Stewmac first and testing it out, and then swapping out one side of the diodes for the ones that Analogman uses, because if you guys didn't catch so far, it's 2 gain pedals next to each other so you can stack your gain. And imagine if I had one side Analogman diodes and the other side Stewmac diodes so I could compare them. That'd be a great video. Alright, that's it for this little short video. Click here for me building a guitar pedal kit, and I had to get somebody's help that had an electrical engineering degree because the instructions were crap. And click here to see whatever YouTube thinks is best. Subscribe to my channel over here, and I'll see you in a future video. Wait, where did I throw that sleeve thingy? There it is.